welcome back. And today I got Spin Master, Tiles, Squirrel My Dog, Zombie versus Captain's Curse. But I mean Max D and Innovation too. But I got a single pack, Fire Ice Mark Warrior. But I have some digger for today, Mark Warrior. I have a Ice Grave Digger, but I mean Ice Earthshaker, but I mean Pirate's Curse. First off, I will do with Spin Master, a zombie against Pirate's Curse, Tiles and Squirrel My Dog. Let's start Captain's Curse. That's pretty much Edge Gold Truck. It's based on a regular pack from Spin Master. Pretty awesome. And here's a zombie Edge Glow. It has the same body as a regular. It has different tires. Let's check a comparison between them. We can work for later, but we can do at the end. Here's a zombie, pretty nice, with edge go wheels. But let's move on to Fire Mark Warrior. Great, and Mark have a great clips too. Here's the Mark Warrior Fire. It does a great clips. Great clips Mark Warrior. Pretty awesome. And I'll be right back for comparisons. And here are our comparisons. Mark Warrior. Great clips. They look for different. But they look the same. But actually, here's a zombie. On the line it says Fire Zombie. I'm just regular zombie. And last but not least, Captain's Curse. They look the same body, but they are different bodies and trucks, including the edge glow. Let me turn off the lights and see their glow. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time, and take care.